Hello sa mga teachers diha. I would like to share to you in this video the school form 9 which is naka 3 term na. So ito po siya, Excel file po ito. We have the input data. We have the school form 9 front page and the inside page, the second page. Tapos meron na po itong what is this? QRA connected na po ito sa ating school form 9. So everything in here. All you have to do is to put all the information here sa input data, and then it will automatically reflected sa ating SF9 first page and second page. So panoorin nyo lang po.